It's not just a thump, it's a heartbeat. Most see a motorcycle. We see a time machine. Old School Customs is bringing the golden era back. Because when it's time to bring a legend home, you look for someone you can trust. That's where we come in. From 1950s G2s to the last cast irons, every machine is rebuilt from scratch. 100 machines reborn and ridden across India. Welcome to Old School Customs, Bangalore.